Okay. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor Bhagyashree Lachwani from Ahmedabad Institute of Technology. In this lecture, we will cover a topic from the subject DS, that is the data structure, and the topic that we are going to cover is expression evolution. In the expression evolution, first of all, basically, we are having three types of expression: infix expression, postfix expression, and prefix expression. What is these three types of expressions? See, in any of the expression, basically there is a mixture of operand and operators. Just take an example. If I am giving you an expression A plus B, now in A plus B, A and B are termed as an operand. Operand plus is termed as an operator. Okay, that means whatever is the calculative part, plus, minus, multiplication, division, caret, any power, any expression that is given, you have to calculate, that is actually termed as an operator. And whatever be the values you have to put, that is termed as an operand. So if we were talking about the infix expression, infix expression has the format operand 1, then operator, then operand 2. Just for an example, A plus B. Now in the A plus B, just take an example. In the A plus B, it is a type of infix expression. Why infix expression? Because two operands A and B on the left and right side, and in between operator will be there. Just we will take this example. Five operands will be there and four operators will be there. So the now question may arise in your mind, how we will calculate this infix expression. Just take an example. I'm giving you the values of A, B, C, D and E. Any values. Just for your sake of simplicity, A will be 1, B will be 2, C will be 3, D will be 4 and E will be 5. Now question is that how we will calculate one by one. For example, either I have to calculate A plus B on the first priority basis, or first I have to calculate B into C, then I have to add the value of A, then I have to separately calculate C plus D, or I have to calculate D into E. There means the mixture of number of possibilities will be there to solve the same expression. So actually how to resolve the conflict, how we will solve these expressions, that is the main question. So the answer of this question is you have to work first of all left to right manner. Second, you have to go according to the priorities of the operators. Now, as an example, if I'm comparing plus and multiplication, so multiplication have the higher priority. That means first we have to calculate the value of multiplicative factors. Then whatever will be the result, we will add that result with another operator. Just take an example, this expression A plus B into C plus D into E. So how the sequence will be there? The very first sequence is we will calculate B into C, because we have to, now the question is we can also calculate D into E, but there is a rule that you have to go from left to right. Now first is plus, but plus have lower priority than the multiplication. So first you have to calculate B into C, because multiplication have the higher priority. Now once we have calculated the value of B into C, which next expression we have to calculate? So the next expression is D into E. Next we will calculate D into E. Now we are having the result of B into C. We are having the result of D into E. So now what is the next step? So now again we will go through left to right. So first plus will be there. That means now whatever will be the result of B into C, we will just add that result into A. So the third expression will be A plus B into C. Now till that we are having the answer of first half expression, that means A plus B into C. So what is the next step? Whatever will be the result of step 3, that we will add into the result of expression 2, that is D into E. See, these types of conflicts when you have to solve when there is a no parenthesis given. Just take an example. In the same, you are given in the round bracket a plus b into c. At that time, parentheses have higher priority than multiplication as well. So first you have to solve at that time a plus b. Why? The reason is parentheses have the higher precedence. They have the higher priority. Priority, or in simple words we can say the precision. So first you have to compulsory solve at that time a plus b. Why? Because they are given in the expressions in the parentheses. So whatever operators are used according to the priority or precedence, you have to solve the expression. So what is the simple rules for that? A repeated scanning from left to right is needed. Why we are telling
Yeah.
repeated? Why we are telling here repeated? Because once we are going from b to c, then we are going from d to e next. That means b to e and d to e, that means again we have to go from left to right. So a plus b into c, that means repeated scanning from the left to right is needed as the operators appears inside the operands, because there are multiple operands and multiple operators will be there. So we have to go from left to right into the continuous manner till we are not getting the whole expression as in the evolution form. Now repeated scanning is avoided if infix expression is first converted to equivalent prefix or postfix. Okay, now what is prefix and postfix we will cover, because if you have to avoid the multiple scannings, because in this we are doing the multiple scannings, but if you want to avoid the multiple scannings of the same expression, so for that what you have to do, you have to convert your infix expression to the prefix or postfix expression. Now what is prefix and what is postfix? Just take an example. We are having a plus b. A plus b is infix expression. Why? Because in the infix, the rule is between two operands, there will be an operator. Now, what is prefix? The word itself is indicating a meaning. Pre means first, before that. So, what will be the prefix? First operator you have to put, then operand 1 and operand 2. That means if we are having a plus b in the infix, for the same, the prefix will be plus ab. Plus will become first, then A, then B. What is postfix? The word is indicating a meaning. Post means after that. Post priority. What it means? After that. So it has the syntax operand, operand, and operator. That means, for example, in the infix, we are having A plus B. So on the postfix, we are having the result A, B plus. A is here operand 1, B is here operand 2, and plus is for the operator. So A, B plus will be the postfix expression for the same. Now the word is used as a Polish notation. In the exam, Polish notation or reverse Polish notation are actually most important for the exam point of view. So the prefix and postfix are termed as in Polish and reverse Polish notations. In the Polish or reverse Polish, if they are parenthesis free, that means we can rearrange according to the precedence. It will be more clear through the examples. Just we will take the examples. We are having A. These are the sequences we are given. Okay, so one by one we will convert the given expression into postfix and prefix. The first we will take as an A. Now it is only one operand. So the postfix will be same, the prefix will be same, both having the same result. Move on to the next. A plus B. What was the rule of postfix? That is, first you have to put operand 1, then operand 2, and after that the operator. That means it will be AB plus. What is prefix? Prefix will be first operator will come, after that operand 1, after that operand 2. So it has the result plus AB. Three operators A plus B plus C. First you will try to solve the first half, that is AB plus. Okay, then plus C. That means AB plus, then plus is considered, now AB plus will be considered as an operand 1. Operand 1. So AB plus is first operand, C is second operand, and in between plus will be there. So the resultant will be, see here, A plus B plus C. That means first we will calculate A plus B because no parentheses are given. Now the resultant of this will be AB plus. Now AB plus will be considered as a one operand. Now again we have to solve the postfix. So what is the rule? First operand, second operand, and then operator. So first operand will be AB plus, second operand will be C, and after that plus. So the resultant is final is AB plus C plus. So the resultant is AB plus C plus. Okay. Now the prefix for the same. So at the time of prefix, first the reverse of that, first we will solve A plus B. So it will be plus A B plus C. So plus will again first word. So plus plus A B C. Okay, now next is A plus B plus C. See here there is a no conflicts. B plus C is in the parenthesis. So we have to solve that first. So the resultant will be BC plus. Now BC plus will be considered as one operand. Now A plus BC plus. So what will be expression? A BC plus plus. That is a postfix for this. Prefix first B plus C will be considered. So it will be plus BC. Now the expression we are having A plus in the bracket plus BC. So it will be plus A plus BC. Next is first parenthesis we have to solve. That means into BC multiplication. Again ABC multiplication plus at the time of prefix. First we have to solve B into C. That means into BC. Then we are having A plus. So A into BC and plus will be moved forwarded. That means plus A into BC. Next, first we will solve the parenthesis. That means BC plus will be one operand, A will be second and postfix. So A BC plus star at the time of prefix. First it will be plus BC, then star A plus BC. Next, three multiplications we are having and no parenthesis will be given. So we will go from left to right. So A, B star will be the first answer. A, B star, C star will be the finalized answer. Then first we will solve star A, B, star C, then star star ABC. Okay, this was about the Polish notations. That means if you are given any infix expression, so from the infix operation, how you will convert into the postfix or the corresponding prefix expression. Hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching.